What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your own home in your crypto restoration. I'm your host, Ripper Van Winkle. Hopefully all and sundry enjoying this lovely pump we're seeing in XRP as we're seeking to retest the 2020 all-time high, and we are just 7 cents away appearances. So now, not going to be in smooth retest. It's no longer going to be in smooth region to break 4 years of not breaking it. We're going to smash it, although do not get me incorrect, and that we will honestly shatter it, after which we'd gigascend up into that mid $2 level, in which we're going to start focused on the 2017 all-time excessive. It's coming. Do I assume a bit of a pullback earlier than then of route of direction? But the pullback is not that it's miles wholesome. We need a pullback so we are able to maintain upward. Right now, all eyes on $1.96. It's that easy. Break it down 96. We push to the mid $2 variety. We like to see a touch bit of a correction, which maximum likely is going to preserve us above the best ever high. And then we take out the 2017 all-time excessive. Imagine if this all ought to manifest by the give up of the year, because we recognize the large pass for all is not coming to Q1 of 2025. We understand the parabolic blow-off tops aren't coming to the summer fallish time body of 2025. That's when XRP can peek its little lovable head above and into that double-digit location. In this episode, we are talking approximately XRP, XRP, and a few extra XRP. So without similarly ado, sit again, loosen up. Let's jump right into a Bitcoin. 96,758 bucks. It is currently down about 0.6%. Ethereum popping out at 3,675. It is presently up 2.28%. USDT and USDC both coming in at their dollar pegs as XRP. Man, it is trying. Stuck at $1.89. We see $1.90 right here and there, but it is definitely seeking to make its push up. If we fail to break the 2020 all-time excessive, do not worry, because a pullback right here to that mid $1.50 variety is truly helpful. We are going to get through. This reminds me, once I say telling you 75 cents turned into going to be a pain in the ass along with 70. It took us 6 tries to interrupt 70 cents. We in the end broke it, and we built up a few momentum that we got past 75 cents on its third try. This is going to fall. Total cryptocurrency market cap $3, 440 million. Let's observe a number of these different coins due to the fact Cardano maintains to truly provoke a VAX as well. Stellar appears excellent as nicely 53 cents. Not too shabby. We're nonetheless anticipating Polkadot. Really would like to peer Polkadot up in that $15 to $20 variety and chain link up to at least 30 to 40 greenbacks via now, but it's coming. The moves on alts like that are coming. H-bar appears amazing true. I instructed you H-bar's subsequent flow up. We're possibly going to communicate it like that 30 to 40 second variety now. Appearance, if you haven't unfastened to set up, get your loose pack openings for King of the Jungle, the first ever buying and selling card sport at the Greater P Ledger. It's like gods. I'm chained on Ethereum. Visit my Twitter, Ripple Winkle. I'm certain you already know the handle there may be a form. Go to the form and fill it out later these days. All you who have filled it out, you already were given your percent openings. If you didn't get them simply, but they'll be coming today for the people who you already know, stuffed it out a little bit later. Check your spam folder, because now and again your email area sends us to unsolicited mail. Check the folder, fill out the Google shape. I need your Xamarin wallet. I want your electronic mail deal with. And you will get a free 20 card commence deck to return play the game. The sport turned into popping final night. A lot of battles occurring. We're going to be doing the primary match. I'm wondering subsequent weekend we hit the first event for the game, or perhaps midweek. Stay tuned for that. Free to enter event, maybe 16 teams we get in. You recognize absolutely everyone performs every other. We flow to the following brackets. We set them up and we hold chugging along. The tournaments are realistically simplest, take approximately an hour. The games are short. So as you know what you're doing, you understand 10 to 15 mins is your average game time. Mux Lines, NFT, in case you're not following, move, observe it. TLN token is ripping up over 115% inside the beyond 7 days. It's on Bitmart. Get your palms on it now, because I'm telling you proper now, a new trade is going to be lined up, a new change is going to be dropped. You realize what happens to the rate whilst a brand new trade recedes into the image. Up, 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 we cross and blast off alters. We visible it with Bitmart, launched at 3 cents, hit a buck, can go into reverse. About 15 cents, ran again as much as 60 cents, came back down and backside out for people taking earnings when they ought to. They have been up over like 13x. Now we are sitting around 6 to 7 cents. The next flow on any other trade, no one suggested is going to ship this element up into that. Dollar location, the Crypto Minute put out this RL USD XLM search and FIFA's NFT game. Let's get to the best element right here. It states Ripple is getting ready to launch its regulated stablecoin, the RL USD, pending approval from the New York Department of Financial Services. It is the NYDFS. Ben Crypto pronounced the stablecoin will possibly debut on December 4th, marking Ripple's entrance into New York's regulated virtual economic marketplace. This is why I can anticipate that the price might be pumping right here, folks. Going to be honest with you, so ought to a pullback be essential right here, or may want to it be on the way 100% it can be. But it really is K. That is okay. Don't be dissatisfied approximately that. We can't run up in a straight line forever. I'm splendid bullish. I've constantly been bullish on it. I'm even more bullish now because we are mana above 75 cents, which the goal desires to see by the stop of the year. The dominance for XRP has constantly hit a 6% market cap dominance. 2017, even in 2020 with the RIP versus SEC lawsuit, we get to a 6% marketplace cap dominance. We see 7 trillion in crypto. That's extra, much more likely each single day. That at a minimum is a $6 XRP at a minimum. That does now not account in for the parabolic blow up pinnacle. And it's funny seeing a majority of these human beings now, all of it unexpected, they want to leap onto the XRP bandwagon. Interesting proper, everyone's coming aboard. Everyone wants a piece of XRP. Why? It's that shiny object. However you understand who the actual OGs have been here since 2017, I'm sure everybody pay attention to these films, been around for pretty a while, and by no means misplaced vision, and in no way lost focus. That is why you had been nevertheless here. That is why you're reaping the advantages proper now from what we are seeing on XRP pushing to the upside. It's exciting instances. We are dwelling in wonderful, exciting times. You recognize I've been looking forward to this 2017. I'm going to be sincere with you. Talking approximately XRP every unmarried day, each week of it being in the sense become I was over it. It became excellent, demanding. I never want to communicate approximately XRP being in the cent range again. Now we get over to this. This is Carolina Keith put out his chart. We showed you this chart around April timeframe. You can see exactly where we're. That huge blue container, it's the move time box. Follow me with this on the screen. This inexperienced arrow proper right here changed into this preliminary pass up. We had the little red which changed into the retrace. What are we seeing now? The subsequent push up, when we get that subsequent push up, we can see a bit extra purple to the corrective side that is ordinary, and then we get the subsequent send up. The bull run midway executed mark is coming in Q1. We are most effective midway achieved. We just kicked this component off. That was your white line again in September. So about a month ago, 2 months in the past, you may even say reason we're coming into December, turn into the closing threat to truly get in and take advantage of it. You could see the way it finished proper, up one final buying opportunity before we went sideways. And then the strong parabolic flow went to the upside. This chart turned into published in April, and it's been 100% dead correct. So what do we see next? We see a little bit of continuance to the upside earlier, then we get to a little bit of a pullback correction, which appearance I do not care how a long way this element pulls return. However, the only factor I need to see is if we are to maintain the dollar, we are able to pull back from a buck 90 to a greenback 10. It doesn't remember due to the fact the subsequent circulate up goes to interrupt the all-time excessive that became set in 2020, and then we're going to destroy the best ever high that was set in 2017. All-time highs are always a pain within the but to interrupt do now. Not get that wrong, every coin, it's not simply XRP, it is every crypto. Whenever they pass to break an all-time high, they in no way destroy it. On the first shot, we are on the grounds of proper now. It is not breaking to 2020 all-time high on the first shot, which is predicted but what do we? Expect to return from this easy. We anticipate for it to gain some momentum and then to slingshot proper past it and to get us up into that 230 to 200.